A Somali musician was scheduled to perform and tour Mankato this week, but Aar Maanta currently isn't even in the country. KEYC News 12's Tyler Segerman explains.
A music video is the closest experience residents of Mankato will get to hear of this international performer. Aar Maanta is presently in London, where he resides and is part of the Urban Nomads, a band in which he is the only Somali. Maanta previously traveled to Minnesota in 2012 and 2015, with week-long residencies that enabled him to perform for the Somali community and others. But this year, while the other 4 members had their visas approved, Maanta is still waiting for his, which has caused the cancellation of activities that were planned this week.
The importance of his presence in Mankato would have been deeply appreciated. He would have been able to talk about a lot of things that us immigrants who live here aren't able to talk about.
Originally, Maanta was to arrive in Mankato last Sunday, participating in community events and visiting schools around the city. He would have ended his week in Mankato on Saturday, hosting a concert at South Central College.
We missed out a big opportunity to bring our students and our larger community members together.
Mankato is part of Minimo, a Somali word for unity, and a program that presents the world's leading Somali artists to communities and events that help increase the understanding of Somali culture. This year, St. Cloud and Mankato were added to the list.
In fact, the younger generation has never heard live Somali music, and this would have given them an opportunity to experience that.
It's unclear when or if Maanta will get approval for his residency for the rest of his predicted 1-month stay. In Mankato, Tyler Segerman, KEYC News 12.